Hey guys, Omar here with ABC Austin Service Express, and we're doing a PM service on an ice machine today. And we took off all the parts. We took off all the parts, all the doors. Opened this up, cleaned inside. We used a cleaner that we use for ice machines, and this is the filter that it has. The 3-compartment filter, and we're putting a new one, which is it's a new EverPure, which is right here. This is going to replace this here, and we've got filters that go on the bottom, which are in here. And these are the two filters. This is one, that's the other one, and that white one here, or the black one, has a pre-filter. It's got a white one inside. That one there, so that helps the machine, with scale buildup, taste, smell, and things like that. So call us for our air conditioning, heating, refrigeration needs, 512-448-0532. You can find us on the web at www.abcaustinacandheating.com. Okay, and refrigeration, walk-in freezers, coolers, ice machines, air conditioning, heating, plumbing. So 24/7. Okay, you can find us on YouTube under ABC Austin Service Express, and you can find us on Facebook as well. Okay, all right, guys. See you in the next video. Bye bye.